In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Chrollo Basketball Zero. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Chrollo is a limited style made by Chrollo himself, the creator of Basketball Zero, for the Chrollo vs. Tatlis or the summer event. Because it is a limited style, it isn't available currently. So as you can see here, I'm recording this video in 2025 at the end of November. And if I look through all of these odds, I won't be able to find Chrollo. So like I said before, it is limited. It might come back in the future, however, I cannot give you certainty. Either way, this is a style that has practically unstoppable offensive moves, perfect for the aggressive playstyle, and it lacks defensive abilities except for Not My Reality, which is one of the moves that they have. So like I said before, it is best used as a primary scorer and ball handler. The core ability is the long dribble, known as the creator's dribble. This is a dribble dash that can be used twice to gain a lot of distance for you to shoot or dunk. It grants invincibility frames, and using near the hoop does an auto layup. You also have a pass. This forces teammates to pass to you, can be intercepted, but the speed of this pass makes it extremely difficult. It turns into green on ball. It has a 70% chance to go in from half court and a 100% chance from the 2 and 3-point line. For your awakened moveset, you will use Creator's Realm, and you will have access to Not My Reality, which can only be used when an opponent is scoring, triggering a cutscene where the player pulls the ball towards them, saying, "Your goal is not a part of my reality," preventing a basket. So that's going to be the only defensive move that you have available. Next, you will have Chaos, which triggers a cutscene and puts you into Chaos mode, making you run faster and be able to dunk from a further distance, as well as stunning opponents on dribble, even if they did not steal. And finally, you will have a move called Green on your awakened form, a shooting ability that can be used anywhere on court as long as you have used Chaos. This also does a quick dribble. It has a 100% chance from 3 and 2-point areas, 70% chance from half court, and in Chaos mode, the range is going to be buffed. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.